Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to hide pages from your navigation menu in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and click on this edit website button next to your website built using Hostinger website builder. This is my website inside Hostinger website builder, and this is my current navigation menu. And let's say that I want to hide this reviews menu item from my navigation menu. Just go to pages and navigation and scroll down to the item you want to hide from the navigation menu and drag and move it like that below hidden from navigation. As you see, these pages are accessible through search engines and URLs, but do not appear in your navigation here. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. But do not appear in your navigation here. Now, let's also hide this contact page, drag and move it just like that. Now close this window and don't forget to update your website. Let's view my website live. And as you see, no contact or reviews is still in the navigation menu. And this is how to hide pages from the navigation menu in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.